How to see your friends liked reels on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to see your friends liked reels on Instagram. So if any of your friends liked reels, then if you are friends with them, you might as well see who liked the reels right at the beginning of your reels if that particular reels is liked by your friends. For example, if this person is my friend or was my friend and they liked it, then I can easily see that they like by simply playing the particular reel in which they like, and I can view them. But if you want to view differently or see all of the person who wanted to view, you can also do so by simply heading over to your profile section and just clicking on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and simply scrolling down until you see the option that is help. So simply tap on this help and just click on help center and simply search in for the reels liked by your friends, just like this. And once you search in for that, just tap on reels, and if you can't find the option regarding the reels liked by your friends, and then you can just head over to the help center once again and just tap on report a problem and simply tap on report a problem and just explain your issue regarding that you are not able to find your reels liked by your friends on Instagram, and the customer team will try to fix your issue certainly. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.